Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Cass. I just wanted to make a quick announcement for you guys before you started watching this vlog. I did start a vlog called the Casscapades, which is why I switched the name of the vlogs up from Cass Chronicles. I just wanted to be able to explain to you more about what was going on in the vlogs, just because I like more of the cinematic feature. So the blog is a great way for you to go ahead and see places I've been, where I ate, pictures and all of that stuff in one place, and then also be able to watch it as well. So you can watch the vlog and then you can read about the experience as well. You can read about the experience and then you can come and watch the vlog. It's great and it meshes my channel together and gives even more information. So I'm pretty excited about it. I've gotten so much great feedback from friends and family. Thank you so much. I just kind of took the plunge with this and I'm super excited that I did it. I love you guys so much and I really hope that you enjoy part 2 of the LA vlog. See you next time. Love you. Bye.
Turn left onto the I-10 West Rail, then merge onto I-10 West.
Actually, yeah, it's 1:16. Anyways, Daphne and I woke up this morning. We decided we're going to Santa Monica today, so we got ready. We just took some bomb pictures. I'm gonna pop a few in here, but you know, go to my Insta so you can see the rest of them. I'm really trying to get my feed together, guys, and the ones that we just took, a duo if I've ever seen one. This is Daphne. I don't know if I ever introduced her. I feel like she's been in the vlog, but like,
what's up, guys?
This is my beauty.
Hi.
So yeah, we just had a mini photo shoot right outside the front of the Airbnb, and first of all, the Airbnb has looks, okay? Like, it has the plants, it has the white walls, it has everything that you need to stunt on somebody real quick. And I wish I had these aesthetics, like, personally. This is what I want for my life, you know? But yeah, so we're trying to find a restaurant to eat at first. That's like how we start our day. We go to a restaurant in the city where we want to like genuinely be in, and then we just walk around and then Uber or Lyft to certain places that we want to go to. So we did that yesterday in Beverly Hills and in Hollywood. Yeah, that's where the Walk of Fame is. In Hollywood. So we did that in Hollywood and then in Beverly Hills, and so we're gonna go to Santa Monica today. So I'm excited and I'm ready to eat as per usual. The bus is right behind me.
And let me tell you one thing. You know, actually, we are very fortunate in this town for one thing. Even though traffic is really bad, because we have so many people here, everything is pretty much on a perpendicular grid. So, you know, especially for people that aren't familiar with the streets, it's much easier to get around that way.
We're in Santa Monica.
I can't see you from here because the sun is behind you. Okay, there you go. Yeah, that looks a lot better. The tour. Daphne, please leave me alone. You're finna knock down everybody in the corner.
We are in Santa Monica right now. Yeah, living our best life. We're about to go get some brunch in a little bit.
I think I want some French toast today. Like, I feel like that needs to happen.
Yeah, that sounds good. I don't know what I'm gonna move for. Like a cheeseburger looks.
A cheeseburger does look good.
In the thing.
You know what? Once I get the menu, oh, we can like coupe it through this street too when it's time. So we're at the Santa Monica Pier. We just finished eating at this place called the Misfits. Daphne, the beautiful. The food was super good. We got like these crispy chicken sandwiches and they had apple slices on them. I never thought I'd need an apple on a chicken sandwich until just then. But yeah, so we're at the pier now. It's super beautiful, super packed, but super worth it because we were so tired. We immediately got the itis after eating. But now we're back like we never left. And yeah, so we're out here. It's really pretty. I don't think we're gonna like do rides or anything crazy like that, but just seeing it alone is like, so we're already like thinking, oh my gosh, we have to come do traveling nursing out here. Daphne is a nurse as well. So yeah, we're already thinking like, yeah, this is definitely like, let's get our Cali licenses tomorrow. Like as soon as we land, like how do we get that in motion? So that's what we're thinking right now. Do you see the wind blowing in my hair? Everybody's super nice out here as well too. It's just cool vibes and I love it. It's like perfect for me. It's like chilling up, but still, if you need to be turned, it'll happen, you know? Find my assignment and never leave. still is extremely cold in Los Angeles, and Daphne and I, you know, we've seen our touristy things and we're ready to go home.
It's time to go.
Yeah, I gotta pee again. You know, drinks just tend to run right through my bladder. It's really annoying. So yeah, it's beautiful, but it's cold. If it was warmer, we'd probably just stay out here for like hours.
I don't understand, like, Los Angeles, why are you so cold?
And everybody's like, this is the first time it's been this cold.
And of course it's the time to leave.
But we're coming back anyway, so it doesn't even matter.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
I'm
coming back.
Living here.
Yeah.
Like, come on.
We're still coming back, absolutely. But yeah, it's beautiful out here. Definitely coming out here. I don't care about the overpopulation. Y'all just got to get over it. 2 more people are coming, okay?
Right?
Thanks. Bye, management. Bye.
Of course,
Did it stop?
Moving. Yes.
Like, literally, I'm like, okay.
Why?
They're probably like, oh, people are recording, stop it. I know she's cold, Jesus.
It's people in there, so I don't know why it's
Yeah, I would be pissed at that. I'd be like, sir, what's going on? Morning, loves. Today is February 24th. It's currently about to be 10 o'clock. It's literally 9:59. We're waiting on our Lyft driver. We're going to climb the Hollywood sign. We're not climbing it. It's too much. We were like Googling it, and it said it's like 7 miles long. Who has time for that? Or like, I think it said it was like a 3 to 4 hour hike, like from some areas. So anyways, we Googled it and we ended up finding like a drop-off point. So that's where we're headed now. Sign. It is beautiful. First of all, there are so many houses up here and I don't even want to know the price. Like, what kind of money are you making to live up here? I could only dream. Ooh, it's making me sick because it's like you open your windows and boom, the Hollywood sign is there. Can you even? I can't. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a beautiful day. Thank God it's like, you know how like on your last day of the trip is when it's always the warmest? Right. I would be mad if I wake up tomorrow and it's super hot. At least today is like kind of toasty, so it's not super bad, but these last couple of days have been super cold. But yeah, me and Daphne just got some really good money shots. I'll pop a few in here. It's just vibes out here. It's just real vibes. Like, it's very chill, but then like super fabulous. AKA me, super chill, but want to be fab. Like, it's me and I belong here. So yeah, I love it. I love it. Today's our last day in LA. I packed already. It's like 10:30 something, 10:39. I ended up packing most of my stuff when we came back from going out last night. We met a few people when we hiked up the Hollywood sign, and so we just met up with them last night. It was super fun. We somehow all found a Caribbean club in LA, and it was so much fun. Like, everybody was dancing. The energy was amazing. So yeah, we had a really good time. So I packed some then, and then I finished this morning. We ordered some breakfast from Grubhub, so I'm just waiting for that to get here. And then our flight got pushed back an hour, but I mean, we're still gonna go to the airport early because we had to check out here. And it's like, even if we went to go do something, what will we do with our luggage? So we're gonna just go to the airport. And then go home and go back to regular life. But yeah, I absolutely love it out here. I feel like I look so ashy. My lips feel dry. Do they look dry? Whatever, just excuse the ash right now. But yeah, I need to take, Daphne gave me an emergency because we both kind of feel a little like, you know when you feel a cold trying to like, to like creep its way to your soul? That's what's currently happening. So I'm gonna probably take that once I get my juice because I can't drink it in water. I've tried that before and it's just, I don't like it. So yeah, I'm watching American Dad now, just getting a few cackles in, and yeah, just waiting on the food, and then we're gonna check out and go to the airport.